In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Cursor AI with Figma to speed up your design to code workflow. Now, whether you're a designer or a developer, this setup can save you tons of time, so let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials here in Figma and go to the left side area of the dashboard and choose your design. So in my case, I'm gonna be choosing this one and you will be forwarded to the editor. Now I want you to click the drop down menu on the top left corner and click the plugins and click the manage plugins. In the search bar, just type in Figma to Cursor. Click that and click the run button. It's super simple. Now what will happen is there is gonna be a small window that will appear. Now all I have to do is go to the element on your design, for example this one, double click on it and click the copy to cursor. Okay, once you've copied that, now after copying, I want you to go to your cursor and click the continue button because we need to paste that copied code. Okay, so if you haven't had the chance to create a project, this is your golden opportunity. Here, just type in the code. Okay, at the very bottom, you can type in a prompt. For example, make this interactive. And then click the arrow button and it will do all the work for you. Alright? It may take a little while depending on the complexity because Cursor AI is still analyzing and generating the code, and all I have to do is review and accept these suggestions. Once you're happy, you can see that of course you have the ability to improve responsiveness, you can add hover states, match spacing and colors exactly, and of course convert it to another framework. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.